up, traders? Julian here, JLewsTrading.com. Doing a quick review on the only trade that I put on today. Although the market was relatively active with the things that I look at, Apple was the one that I was trading today, and I got a really nice play off of Apple today. Got in nice and early. Traded a very small bull flag over the VWAP, went long, and saw a nice return on the calls that I was trading this morning off Apple. So you can see right through here, there was a little bit of chop. Price action was just kind of cutting back and forth right through that VWAP, and we're on the 5-minute chart here. When we got above that VWAP, price action pulled back, and what I was looking for was this micro flag over the VWAP to break long, and you can see that it most certainly did. This was a really nice trade because essentially we just rode this thing up through this pullback, and we were riding this higher and higher, and as soon as it started to roll over and we got a little bit of insight from the MACD histogram that this thing was pulling back, we covered our position. Now, on these particular calls, they moved up well over a point in the first part of the day. Now, there were multiple opportunities on Apple moving forward. You can see that we actually had this nice bull flag right through here where price action dips, consolidates right through here through this 15-minute period, and these are all 5-minute candles, and you can see that it consolidated right through there, and then it started to step higher and traded higher on the day. And going into the balance of the day, we got relatively flat around this period, so not much to do there. But there were a number of very nice opportunities. Now, I like to get really aggressive right out of the gate. I'm always looking for that confirmation on the bull or bear side around that VWAP level. If you would have missed that, you had an opportunity right through here on this pullback to get long right through there. That's actually a really nice bar to get long. And again, short term, a little pullback right through here. Again, affording you another opportunity to get long, and the same up through here. And then if you would have missed that, again, you had a deeper pullback into lunch. But what we were doing is we were trading right through here. There's a whole host of stocks that I'm sitting on every single day, and Apple generally gives us some nice plays to get in front of. And so this was the only trade that I put on. I figured while I was up as much as I was to leave it be. It was a great position. I didn't want to throw anything else into the mix, so we stepped away from this trade on Apple. Now, side note, and this doesn't have anything to do with the review of the trade, but there was some news after hours, and you can see that Apple actually sold off pretty hard. I think it shed about 12 points of value. So I am going to be watching this going into tomorrow, and I want to get in front of a short tomorrow. There's a very good opportunity that Apple's going to get absolutely hammered. So we'll be watching for that and watch for the review there on Apple. So if you have any questions, I'm at info@JLewsTrading.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. If you have any comments, by all means, please leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit that notification. And if you want to get involved with our Ask a Trader webinars that we host on Tuesdays and Thursdays, as well as receive trade alerts that we put out on Sundays, getting you ready for the week, the trading week, there is a link in the description box below. Check that out and join the JLews Trading community. If you have any questions, I'm at info@JLewsTrading.com. Thanks for watching this quick market review. We'll see you in the next video review.